bright, and wonderfully fragrant. Lemongrass is a familiar plant across Asia, loved for its citrus scent. It has long been valued for its herbal and medicinal benefits, and for the aromatic flavor it brings to Southeast Asian cooking. This week, we shall be making Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. Join me in another culinary adventure. The essence of this dish is in the aromatics we are using: lemongrass, garlic, red chili, and shallots. Here's the complete list of the ingredients. First, we shall prepare the chicken marinade: ground white pepper, cornstarch, sugar, fish sauce, and soy sauce. Mix well and set aside. Now, we shall prepare the aromatics. Finely chop the lemongrass. We shall only be using the tender white part. You can save and use the green part to make stock for another dish. Also finely chop the shallots and the garlic. For the red chili, cut the stem and remove the seeds, then finely chop. Cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Dip in the chopped lemongrass. Pour in the sauce. Mix and marinate the chicken for 20 to 30 minutes.
If you are enjoying this video, tap like and share this with a friend. Say hi to us in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's continue.
Now we are ready to cook. Add the shallots and garlic in a pan with heated oil. Cook for about a minute or two until softened. Add the chicken pieces in a single layer. Leave to caramelize for a few minutes. Then turn to brown the other sides. Dip in the chopped red chili. Stir fry for about 3 minutes. Then pour in the coconut water. Let it bubble rapidly. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Allow the liquid to reduce and coat the chicken in a glossy sauce. You can adjust the seasoning at this point with added splash of fish sauce. Serve over cooked rice. Garnish with chopped peanuts, red chili, carrots, cucumber, and fresh cilantro. And there you have it, my dear friends. Lemongrass chicken from Vietnam. You can make this delicious dish at home too. I'll see you again next week for another episode. Bye bye for now.
Our channel grows one video at a time. If you'd like to help along, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you.
There are more plushy videos to watch and enjoy. Just click here. Thank you.